I'd like to show you how to pipe numbering and numbers. I've got a number 2 tube and I've got a number 1 tube, and I've got number 2 white because you pipe on the cake the same colour as the cake, and the number 1 is in a colour. So if my cake was white, I'd pipe that number 1 tube in a white. If the cake was orange, I'd pipe the number 2 tube in orange. The reason for that is so if you make a mistake you can take it off. It's a lot easier piping with a number 2 tube than a number 1, and doing it that way, if you have any mistakes, it won't mark the cake. So I've got a number 2 tube in a small bag, it's a small tube, and I'm holding it correctly. Very similar to the lettering, it's just anchor, lift, stop squeezing, come down, and it's a matter of lines and curves. So number 1, number 2 will curve round, come down, and then straight across to produce a number 2. Number 3, straight across, come down, and curve that round for number 3. Up to you how you do number 4, number 5. So you can see how I'm breaking down the numbers. Oh, I'm not too keen on that. No, that's good because I want to show you how easy it is to remove it. When we're piping, we always need to look, see if we can make any improvements. So I'll have another go. Line, line, coming up and round. Number 6, number 7, number 8, and so on. So you can see that I've got their numbers, and then I overpipe them exactly the same with a number 1 tube. The reason I'm using a colour is because I want it to stand out. So anchor, lift, whoops. If it breaks, and I think that's a blocked look, not to worry. See if I can unblock it. Sometimes it's a little bit of royal icing. What I'm going to do is run that under some hot water. I'll just run the tip under the hot water. There we go. It's dissolved. So you overpipe it as neatly as you can with the number 1. Now it's a lot better piping a number 1 when you've got that number 2 as a guide. And also with the 2 layers it helps the lettering stand out. Almost a 3D. So if you get a little kink, give it a shake until it's smooth again. And overpipe it. Okay, thank you.